Welcome to Social Quiz Corner.
Test your knowledge in agriculture chapter through MCQ quiz. Question 1. What is essential for a plantation's success? Option A. Financial institution. Option B. Transport network. Option C. Labor saving machine. Option D. Irrigation system. Correct answer is B. Transport network. Question 2. In which type of soil does rice grow best, as it can retain water? A. Loamy soil. B. Sandy soil. C. Alluvial clayey soil. D. Arid soil. The correct answer is C. Alluvial clayey soil. Question 3. Which conditions are best for wheat cultivation? A. High temperature and rainfall. B. Arid climate and bright sunshine. C. Moderate temperature and rainfall. D. Low humidity and loamy soil. The correct answer is C. Moderate temperature and rainfall. Question 4. A European farm growing corn and raising cattle practices which type of farming? A. Plantation. B. Commercial grain farming. C. Intensive subsistence farming. D. Mixed farming. The correct answer is D. Mixed farming. Question 5. Which crops are known as important beverage crops? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Jute. D. Tea and coffee. The correct answer is D. Tea and coffee. Question 6. Millets are primarily known as coarse grains and can be grown on what type of soil? A. Loamy soil. B. Well-drained fertile soils. C. Less fertile and sandy soils. D. Alluvial clayey soil. The correct answer is C. Less fertile and sandy soils. Question 7. Which crop, also known as the golden fiber, requires high temperature, heavy rainfall, and a humid climate for its growth? A. Rice. B. Maize. C. Jute. D. Cotton. The correct answer is C. Jute. Question 8. Which crop requires about 210 frost-free days for its successful growth? A. Rice. B. Maize. C. Jute. D. Cotton. The correct answer is D. Cotton. Question 9. Jowar, Bajra, and Ragi are examples of which major crop group grown in India? A. Fiber crops. B. Beverage crops. C. Millets. D. Root crops. The correct answer is C. Millets. Question 10. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall, and which other key factor? A. High humidity. B. 210 frost-free days. C. Lots of sunshine. D. Sandy soil. The correct answer is C. Lots of sunshine. Question 11. India and Bangladesh are mentioned as the leading producers of which commercial crop? A. Cotton. B. Maize. C. Jute. D. Coffee. The correct answer is C. Jute. Question 12. If a farmer has a semi-arid plot with less fertile, sandy soil, which of the following crops would be most suitable? A. Jute. B. Wheat. C. Millets. D. Rice. The correct answer is C. Millets. Question 13. Which soil type is best for the growth of cotton? A. Alluvial clayey soil and loamy soil. B. Less fertile and sandy soils. C. Black and alluvial soils. D. Well-drained fertile soils only. The correct answer is C. Black and alluvial soils. Question 14. Countries like China, USA, India, and Pakistan are leading global producers of which crop? A. Jute. B. Maj. C. Cotton. D. Millets. The correct answer is C. Cotton. Question 16. Which country is the leading global producer of coffee? A. India. B. Colombia. C. Brazil. D. Kenya. The correct answer is C. Brazil. Question 17. The discovery of coffee is historically attributed to an Arab goat herder named Kaldi in approximately what year? A. AD 500. B. AD 850. C. AD 1250. D. AD 1600. The correct answer is B. AD 850. Question 18. Agricultural development aims to increase production to meet which need? A. Export demand. B. Population growth. C. Genetic change. D. Natural pesticides. The correct answer is B. Population growth. Question 19. Larger land holdings are more suitable for which type of farming? A. Subsistence farming. B. Organic farming. C. Commercial agriculture. D. Intensive subsistence agriculture. The correct answer is C. Commercial agriculture. Final one, and don't forget to comment your score. Food security means access to food that is A. Cheap. B. Organic. C. Modified. D. Safe and nutritious. The correct answer is D. Safe and nutritious.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.